The Tesla Model 3 is here, sort of.
Although shipments technically began in July, the production ramp of the new affordable Tesla EV has been slower than CEO Elon Musk had hoped.
Last quarter, Tesla delivered just 1,542 Model 3 cars against a reservation list that is several hundred thousand long, and production of right-hand drive versions isn't expected to begin until 2019 at the earliest.
UK pricing has yet to be announced, too.
Despite a brief run in the Model 3 last summer, we've had to wait until now to get our hands on the new EV for a more thorough test.
We borrowed one from an owner in Silicon Valley and put it through its paces for a day on the hilly streets of San Francisco, across the Golden Gate Bridge and back, and on traffic-clogged highways.
The Model 3 isn't nearly as fast as its larger brother, the Model S, but it has plenty of electric oomph driving the rear wheels.
Tesla claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.1 seconds with a larger battery pack, and that seemed the right ballpark, but we didn't pull out our stopwatch. This car weighs over 450 kilograms less than the 100 kilowatt-hours version of the Model S, so the long-range Model 3 comes in at 1,730 kilograms, including the hefty battery.
That's not exactly light in overall terms, but it's more than respectable for an EV with this sort of range.
That weight loss shows in corners, too.
The Model S feels extremely heavy, because it is, although it carries the bulk well.
The Model 3, though, doesn't feel like a super heavy electric car at all.
Rumor has it that the BMW 3 Series was the benchmark, and that feels about right in terms of agility. The chunky, 2-turns lock-to-lock steering wheel is lovely to use, with a trio of options for weight, sport, standard and comfort.
The steering communication isn't of the levels of, say, a BMW M3, but it more than gets the job done.
Thanks to the all-electric drivetrain and regenerative braking, most driving can be done with one foot.
Lifting off the throttle really slows things down, and only in the most severe braking maneuvers do you need to touch the brake pedal.
Brake feel is adequate, given the amount of electronics between you